In this video, let us understand how to find the complement of a set. Suppose universal set U is given, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that in universal set we have these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in A we have 4 elements 3, 4, 6 and 7. Now we have to find A complement. A complement basically is U minus A. The elements which are not there in A but they are there in U will be there in A complement. So 1, 2, 5, 8. So what we did, from universal set we have removed the element of A. 3, 4, 6 and 7 we have removed and 1, 2, 5 and 8 are left. So A complement basically is U minus A. So to find A complement, what we will do, we will subtract the elements of A from U. Now in set builder form, how to write it? We will write it like this: X belongs to universal set and X does not belong to A. So in A complement, all those X will come which are belonging to universal set but they are not belonging to A. So those elements are 1, 2, 5 and 8. So there are some properties of complement of the set. The first one is complement law. Complement law, we have two properties in this. A union A complement will be equal to U. That is understood. A union A complement. If we will take union of both A and A complement, you can see here, if I will take union of both A and A complement, I will get the universal set. And the second one is A intersection A complement is phi. That is also true. You can see that there is nothing common in these two. So their intersection will be phi. Then we have De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law states that A union B complement will be equal to A complement intersection B complement, and the second one is A intersection B complement will be A complement union B complement. So basically when we open the complement, this sign union will become intersection and intersection will become union. And the third one is A complement will be equal to A. Now A complement is 1, 2, 5, 8. If I will again find the complement of it, I will get 3, 4, 6, 7, which is again A, and phi complement is union and union ka complement is phi. So these things you have to keep in mind to solve the problems. Now let us start with exercise 1.5, in which U is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us start doing it. A complement. A complement will be, from U I have to remove the elements of A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 I have to remove. What it will be? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B complement, remove the element of B. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now I have to find the A union C complement. So for that, first we will find A union C. Now what is A union C? A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So its complement will be, I have to remove these elements from universal set. So its complement is only 7, 8, 9. Then A union B complement, again we will find A union B first. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then we need to find its complement. I have to remove these elements from the universal set. So I will be left with 5, 7 and 9. Then we have A complement ka complement, that we already know. A complement is equal to A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We did it, that complement of A complement is equal to A. So here we have A complement ka complement is equal to A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next question is, universal set is given as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We have to find the complement of these elements, these sets. So let us find. A is A, B, C. What will be A complement? A complement, I have to remove A, B, C. So what is left there? D, E, F, G, H. Then B complement D, E, F, G. So it A, B, C and H. We will have A, B, C, H. Then I have C, A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. So I will be left with B, D, F, H. B, D, F, H. Then I have F, G, H, A. F, G, H and then A. So I will be left with B, C, D, E. So we will be writing here as D complement B, C, D, E. Now in the next question, question number 3, we have been given the sets in set builder form. So we will be writing their complement as well in set builder form only. The first one is, here the universal set is the set of natural number. So universal set is n here. Universal set is set of natural number. So x is an even natural number. What will be its complement? Very easy. X is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. Its complement will be x is an even natural number. Then the third is x is a positive multiple of 3. So we will write x such that x belongs to n. X is not a multiple of 3. Then we have x is a prime number. So complement we will write x is not a prime number also we can write, where x belongs to n and x is not a prime number. But this will be more appropriate to write x is a positive composite number and x is equal to 1, because in composite number 1 will not come. But 1 is not a prime number, so it should come in this set. Then we have x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So its complement will be x is a natural number which is not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 5. When and is there, then in its complement we use or. If or is there, we use and. Then in the sixth, x is a perfect square. X belongs to natural number, x is not a perfect square. Then perfect cube also same, not a perfect cube. Then we have x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now x plus 5 is equal to 8 means x is equal to 3, right? If I will subtract it, I will get x is equal to 3. So its complement will be x belongs to n, x is not equal to 3. Similarly from here also, if I will find x, I will get x is equal to 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So its complement will be x is not equal to 2. X is greater than equal to 7. So x belongs to natural number, x is less than 7. Greater than equal to 7 means from 7 to infinite natural numbers are there. So its complement will be the natural number from 1 to 6. Similarly 2x plus 1, from here if I will find x, what I will get? 2x plus 1 is greater than 10 is given. So 1 I will subtract, I will get 2x plus 1 is greater than 9. Sorry, 2x is greater than 9 because plus 1 we have shifted there and it will become 10 minus 1 as 9. So x will be greater than 9 by 2. So its complement will be x is less than equal to 9 by 2. The remaining question we will do in next video.